what's up, venner? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And to all my old subscribers, you all know I love you like ow. So guys, today we'll be making some egg stew, okay? So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Get your chair and let's go. Okay guys, so for this recipe you will need, of course, your egg. You will need your tomato paste. I'm using 140 grams. You will need your chopped tomato in can, or you have fresh, you can use it. You need your oil. You also need some thyme. I think thyme and egg matches. So you will need your ginger, pepper and onion. I have some sliced onion, both red and white or normal onion. I have some curry powder here. I have some cherry tomatoes. You can use normal regular tomatoes, but cherry tomatoes give it this kind of taste. And I have my minced chicken. Okay, you can use that. If you have chicken breast, just use that as well. Okay guys. And yes guys, the minced chicken is optional. If you don't have it, just forget it. All right. Okay guys, so moving straight into the video. In your pan, we're going to start with the minced chicken. Okay, so in your pan you put in a little bit of oil on a medium heat. Okay, and then you put in your minced chicken. Okay guys, and take note that underneath the chicken there is a baking paper underneath, so remember to take that off, or else you'll be cooking your chicken in or with the paper. Okay, and you wouldn't want that. So you take that off. You you try to break the chicken up a little bit, or you loosen it up so it all gets separated. All right guys, so keep watching. And guys, hey, this is my way of making egg stew, so don't judge. Okay, so continuing, you have to keep stirring the minced chicken or your chicken to break it apart. Unless you want big chicken pieces, then you wouldn't have to really break it apart. Okay, you can just let it be after one or two breakage. All right. Okay guys, so after 7 minutes of cooking the chicken, I just add in a little bit of salt. Okay, and it is to your own taste. Just put as much as you want. Okay, so I put in a little bit of salt and stir it. Okay, and from there you take it off the fire because you are done with that. Okay guys, so moving on, we are going to blend our pepper, ginger and onion. Okay, you just put it in your blender, add in a little bit of water, then you're going to blend this, okay, until you have a smooth paste. All right guys. And guys, please take note, you can actually use the powdered form of everything. You can use powdered garlic, powdered ginger, powdered pepper. Okay, but I like the fresh taste of it, so I just use the fresh ones. All right, so in your saucepan you're going to put in oil to make your stew. Okay, yeah, shisha swan, no, we are making our stew. All right guys, so on the medium heat, put your pan on, put in some oil, then you put in your sliced onion. Okay guys, make sure your fire is on a medium heat, because with every food the temperature is the most important thing. If you give it too much heat, you're going to burn it, and when you cook it on a low heat, it's always better, because then you get every single foundation laid. Okay guys. So let's keep going, keep watching guys. All right. And yes guys, when you put your onions in, allow it to sweat so you get all the taste out of it. Okay, the infusion of the caramelization in the onion and everything guys, it makes it dope. So just let it do its own thing. Okay, don't rush it. All right guys, let's go. Okay guys, so this has been frying for 3 to 4 minutes, so I'm just going to add in my tomato paste to this. Okay, and stir. Okay guys, remember to stir after you have put your tomato paste in there, because it can easily burn. Okay, and try to always start with your tomato paste, because it always gives this bitter aftertaste if it is not fried properly. Okay guys, so try to do that. All right. Okay guys, so remember to keep stirring and stirring so it doesn't burn underneath. Okay guys, unless you're using a non-stick pan. All right, so I'll quickly rinse my tinned tomatoes and just pour it in the sauce. Okay guys, nothing is going to waste over here. All right, you then just leave it or allow it to simmer for a while. Then you put in your curry powder. Okay, then you stir. Okay guys, at this point you can actually add in your curry powder. If you have some maggie cube or any spice you prefer, you just put it in all at once. Okay, I don't know why I divided my spices, but you can just put all in at the same time at this moment. Okay guys, so you just cover this up and just let it simmer. Okay guys, I will then invite my cherry tomatoes into the squad, so it also gets a very good stir to the rest of the people in there. Okay guys. Yes, so give it a quick stir so it can also absorb some sweetness in the sauce. Okay guys, cover this up. Okay, and let it simmer again and again. All right. And yes guys, at the meantime, if you know you're going to enjoy this with some rice, just get it on fire. Okay, and just get everything prepared. Okay, so I have my rice here and I'm just quickly going to cook it. Hey, what is that? Okay, I'm picking it up. Yeah, so you're just going to cook your rice, and yeah guys, there you have it. All right. Okay, so back to our sauce. Okay, you're just going to open and add in your onion, pepper and ginger to this. Okay, and you quickly stir it again. Okay, make sure your heat is on a medium low heat so you don't end up burning this. Okay, and remember to keep stirring. Okay, it's very, very important. So I'm just going to stir this. Okay, cover it up again and then just leave it for it to simmer. Okay guys. Okay guys, so 5 minutes later I'll open it up again, stir it again. Okay guys, you can see mine is not burning. So if yours is burning, which means your heat is so high, so put it on a medium heat again. I have said it. And guys, stir again, stir the bottom so it doesn't stick. Okay guys, and then you are quickly going to add in your tomatoes in, or your canned tomatoes. Okay guys, and you stir again. Okay, if you want to rinse this, rinse it. Okay, if not, just let it be. All right guys, stir this. Okay, remember, so keep watching. Okay guys, so we are almost there. Okay, so we are just going to add our minced chicken to the stew now. Okay, you're going to add it in here and then you're going to stir, give it a good stir. Okay, into the stew. Okay, so it also absorb some of the sweetness and the goodies in there. Okay guys, see how it's looking good already? Yes, so keep watching. Okay, love, so as at this moment you're just left with three ingredients: your maggie cube, your thyme and your eggs. Okay guys, so you just need to crack your eggs. Okay guys, I'm just using 5 eggs. If you want to use more than that, do that. If you want to use less, do that. Okay, guys. So yeah, it's just to your choice. Okay, so what you prefer is what you do. Remember, it's your kitchen and you need to have fun in there. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so we are almost there. Okay, almost there. So I'm just going to add in my cube, and I'm going to stir and add in my thyme as well, and we are going to stir, and then at the end we are going to add in our egg. Okay, guys, so we are almost there. Okay, relax, and we are almost there. And yes, guys, after 3-4 minutes of simmering, you just add the eggs to it. Okay, and I don't mix my egg, okay, because I like big chunks. Okay, guys, my ancestors are fancies. Okay, so like that, I just put it in like that, and then yeah, I let it gently do its own thing. Okay, cover this up, okay, and relax and let it just look at them. Oh my god, guys, you just try this for yourself, guys. If you're really enjoying this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Okay, and guys, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell as well. Okay, so what I'm just doing right now is I'm trying to bust the yolk out a little bit, so it doesn't become clumps of big yolks. Okay, just want it to, a little bit, just like that. Okay, guys, so keep watching. This is what I'm talking about, big chunks of eggs. And hey, this is what is called egg stew in my world. Okay, guys. Yes, guys, this is the final thing. This is what I'm talking about, guys. If you did really enjoy this video just like I did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. And guys, until we meet next time, don't forget to stay safe and don't forget to max up. Okay, until we meet again, the name is ABIGAIL and I'm out. Peace.